Mastercam 2020 introduces a suite of new tools that work together to significantly improve and streamline the mill turn workflow. Starting in Mastercam 2020, all mill turn users now have access to component libraries. This gives you the ability to create or edit libraries instead of depending on your Mastercam reseller or machine developer. You can open the mill turn component library interface by right-clicking on the .mcam-gmd file in the Machine Explorer and Code Expert and selecting Open, or by double-clicking on it. In previous versions of Mastercam, you were limited to the chuck that was built into the .machine file, and only machine developers could make changes to the chuck. Additionally, Mastercam required you to define chuck jaws for each part during job setup. Beginning in Mastercam 2020, component libraries have been enhanced so that you can now create and store as many chucks and chuck jaws as necessary. You can also select which chucks and jaws will be used as the defaults by new machine groups. The new component library interface also improves the workflow for managing and editing tool locators. Users can import tool locators from other libraries, including the tool locator libraries that are already available to all mill turn users on Mastercam's Tech Exchange, or they can create completely new tool locators and libraries as needed. Additionally, users are able to create and edit many aspects of the tool locators in their libraries, such as creating new tool stations, including half-index tool stations, editing existing tool stations, editing or shifting the tool mounting locations on the block, and editing or replacing the solid model used to simulate the locator. These enhancements mean that you can easily manage all of your turret tool locators, spindle tool locators, chucks, and chuck jaws in a single interface and save them to a component library for use in any part that uses that .machine file. In the Job Setup tab, the new Machine Configuration page allows you to select and configure the chucks and chuck jaws for each job. The Machine Configuration page also lets you enter minimum and maximum spindle speeds directly as part of the job setup. In previous versions of Mastercam, these values were saved in the machine definition and needed to be edited there. Moving these settings to the Job Setup tab makes it much more convenient for you to enter these values. Mastercam 2020 also includes a new and simplified interface for working with the local copy of a mill turn machine definition. The new interface removes functions that are not relevant to the local copy of the machine definition and focuses your attention only on the tasks that are appropriate for job-specific changes. It also clearly indicates that you are working on a local copy of the machine definition instead of the master copy. Code Expert for Mastercam 2020 also includes several new features for working with multi-stream NC files. New controls in the Display group let you toggle between single-stream and multi-stream view without needing to repost your code. The new Align Syncs function displays multi-stream outputs with the syncs or weight codes lined up. Additionally, you can customize the colors that are used to highlight the syncs. The new Save All function lets you save all of the NC files associated with a multi-stream document with one simple click instead of needing to save each file individually. For more information about what's new in Mastercam 2020, be sure to visit whatsnew.mastercam.com.